DOA, Dorward Outdoor Adventures. Day 1, Hike 1, Hart Creek Trail. Here we go. Hart Creek Trail is just outside of Canmore, and after a 4-hour drive from Edmonton, it seemed like the great little spot to stop and stretch our legs. This is a relatively easy trail that brings you through terrain of packed dirt, small rocks, and many river crossings. It is about 5 kilometers in total length, and the scenery is just beautiful. There is many wooden bridges for you to make your way across so that you don't have to get your feet wet during this hike. The trail meanders right along the creek side without very much incline whatsoever. There is many shaded areas and is very comfortable to do in the hot summer sun. There are many sheer rock faces where there were many different groups of rock climbers practicing. They were all geared with safety equipment, and was amazing to watch the height that some of these people could climb to. There are many opportunities and many gorgeous spots to stop and take pictures along this trail. So I often get accused of getting off the beaten path and going down goat trails, but sometimes those trails lead to the prettiest of sights. We'll keep going. Although most of the terrain is fairly easy to climb and a running shoe would do good in most spaces, if you want to take the off-beaten path, I would always recommend to wear a hiking shoe, as it'll give you better stability along some of the more steeper terrain and slipperier surfaces as you make your way to the top of this climb. If you continue the trail to the top, you are greeted by a small but very beautiful waterfall.
Oh, hang on, it's on a video. You hear a dog?
The cold glacier stream was definitely refreshing, as it was plus 36 degrees on the day we did this hike.
So we made it up to the top of the Hart Creek Trail, and a little bit off the beaten path at the end, but definitely worth the view. Nice waterfall. A couple smaller waterfalls, some big boulders, some shady spots to stop, have a snack and some water. So definitely worth going the extra mile.
Cheers! Is that the best water you've ever tasted? Take a drink. What does it taste like?
Water.
Yeah, pure water.
got my hand.
The Hart Creek Trail was definitely an easy hike and one that can be done with kids or animals. It's always a great day to be outside and in the mountains.